Hello everyone, how's it going? And welcome to Simple Crypto. Today, I'm going to show you how to migrate from Metamask over to XDEFI Wallet. But first, what is XDEFI? We made a 1-minute video all about XDEFI Wallet that you can check out here. Now you know what XDEFI is, it's time for the migration process. Before we get started setting up XDEFI Wallet, we'll need our wallet's secret phrase from Metamask in order to move it over to XDEFI Wallet. To find this, we'll need to start by opening our Metamask wallet via the browser extension. Enter your password to unlock the wallet, and then click on the top right account icon to find the settings option from the drop-down menu. In your settings, scroll down to security and privacy. From here, we'll need to enter our password again as an added layer of security before we're able to reveal our secret phrase. Now, you probably know this already, but never ever share this phrase with anyone. The one shown here is purely for the purposes of this example and isn't a real secret phrase. If someone gets hold of the secret phrase, they can take all of the funds out of your account. So after copying this phrase to your clipboard, which is either on the computer, or if you want to add extra security, write it down on a piece of paper, we'll then not need MetaMask for the rest of this process. So we can go ahead and close it. Now we need to install XDEFI. So if you're not there already, head over to xdefi.io. Click download to begin installing to your browser, and click to add the extension when prompted. Now you've installed the XDEFI extension, we can click into this just like we would with our Metamask wallet. From here, there's a few very quick and simple steps to complete the migration of your wallet. So let's get started. This will redirect us to a setup page for XDEFI. We have two options here. We can either create an XDEFI wallet or restore an XDEFI wallet. Because we already have an existing wallet and we just want to migrate over to XDEFI, we're going to agree to the terms and conditions and then choose restore. Now, this is where our secret phrase from Metamask comes in. This is where we input our secret phrase, choose a new password we'd like to use for XDEFI, and then click next. You can now pick a name for this wallet. This can be whatever you like, so we're just going to give it a nice and clear label. The next step is an optional one. If you'd like to use XDEFI as your default wallet, then select this option. Seeing as we're migrating over to XDEFI today, it makes sense for us to opt for this. You can always change this later. Next, choose which chains you'd like to use with XDEFI. If you're very new to crypto and aren't sure, don't worry. The default options should be fine for now, and again, this can be easily changed later on. And there you go. As we can see, we're now complete with our setup, and if we click on the browser extension, we can now view and use our successfully migrated wallet. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope this video helped, and if you'd like to see more, then don't forget to subscribe. Let us know in the comment section below if there's anything else you'd like us to cover, and we'll see you next time. Bye!